while removing the packing. Finally, install the license plate back. Then, remove the rear license plate by opening two bolts with a 10 mm T-handle and a ring-type spanner. Remove its plastic pack. Now, take the vehicle for washing and drying. But before taking the vehicle for washing and drying, check for oil leakage from engine and front fork.